Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today I am here with the practical part of applied art. In my previous video, we have discussed the illustrations. Today I am here with the two topics of posters. The first one is excursion and tourism, and the second is cultural activities. So let's start. This is the marking scheme for posters. Total marks 25. 10 marks for layout and lettering. 5 marks for emphasis on the subject and 10 marks for overall impression, color scheme and reproducing quality. There are 5 topics for posters. In this video, I will talk about the first 2 topics only. First of all, we have to understand what is a poster. A poster is a temporary promotion of an idea, product, or event put up in a public space for mass consumption. Typically, posters include both textural and graphic elements, although a poster may be either wholly graphical or wholly text. Posters are designed to be both eye-catching and informative. Posters may be used for many purposes. They are a frequent tool of advertisers, particularly of events, musicians and films, propagandists, protesters and other groups trying to communicate a message. There are basically 9 easy steps to make a poster. Step 1. Get a large piece of paper, poster board or another backing material. Take a drawing sheet of A3 size having 200 GSM for 12 applied art students. Step 2. Write a list of the elements you need to include in your poster. Step 3. Sketch out your design on a regular piece of paper. Step 4. Have your main slogan or headline in the center of the poster. Step 5. Use the top, bottom and sides for any important details. If your poster is informative, make sure you include all of the important information that a viewer would need to know. Step 6. Include a call to action if you want people to act further. Step 7. Sketch your design onto the poster board with pencil. Remember to pay attention to the spacing of your letters so they don't all end up crowded on one side of the poster board, and try to make all of your letters roughly the same size. Step 8. Color your poster with colored pencil, crayons, markers or paint. Adding color will make your poster more eye-catching and it can help emphasize the point you are trying to make. Step 9. Add embellishments like symbols, graphics, and glitter. When it comes to decorating your poster, you are only limited by your own imagination. Tap into your creativity and see what you come up with. You can get ribbon, glitter, stickers, or other decorations at the craft store, or you could just look through what you have on hand. First topic is excursion or tourism. What is excursion? An excursion is a trip by a group of people, usually made for leisure, education, or physical purposes. It is often an adjunct to a longer journey or visit a place, sometimes for other, typically work-related purposes. Tourism, the act and process of spending time away from home in pursuit of recreation, relaxation, and pleasure, while making use of the commercial provision of services. There are more than 20 posters for your reference. Select the poster, download it by clicking the link at the description, copy in your A3 size drawing book and color it with poster colors, sketch pens, markers, etc. The next topic is dance festival. There are 10 beautiful posters for your reference. Then comes food festival. You can download posters, change the text according to your need. The last topic is Music Festival. Here you can find more than 10 posters. Copy them in your A3 drawing book and color. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any suggestion or query, please put a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.